Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 170, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to download additional watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue and or rather I recommend to download and install the Connect IQ store on the phone that is paired with your watch, because it makes installing applications, downloading watch faces and stuff like that a lot easier and more convenient. So I really recommend it. And to do it, you can open the Play Store on the Android phone and App Store on the iPhone, because it works on both devices, and then search for the Connect IQ. So you can type in Connect IQ store. I don't know if you need to type in store, but it's here. And basically you need to download this application with the icon like this. And once you install it, you can open it, of course, after you install it. And after you open the app, if your watch is paired with a phone, you should see your account that was used to pair the devices together. You can switch accounts if you want to. I'm just gonna use the one I already have. Then tap on next. Allow the required permissions. And now you should see the IQ Home. And here we can scroll through the different categories, as you can see, but I like to tap on search, then select the watch faces to narrow my search only to watch faces. And now we can browse through the different watch faces and look for something we like. So find the watch face you enjoy. And once you find something, you can tap on it. And here we have the description page of our watch face, and you can see the screenshots. You can see the description, ratings. Also, you can check if your device is compatible by tapping on compatible devices right here. And you can search for the Forerunner 170, which should be somewhere here in this. So it should be working. And once you decide to install the watch face, you can tap on install, allow the required permission. It will be queued for the installation, and sometimes it takes quite a lot of time for it to install, and sometimes it does it almost immediately. But once it's done installing, you will see the pop-up on your watch or in the app. And now, if we go back, the watch face should be applied. So it is working. You can also check the list of watch faces you installed by going to the main page of the Connect IQ store, tap on device, and here tap on my watch faces, and you have the list of watch faces installed right here. And if you run out of space for the watch faces, because there is limited space, as you can see, you can always tap on my watch faces, tap on the watch face, then tap on the button right here, tap on uninstall, uninstall, and once you remove the watch face, free up some space, you can download something else if you want to. Okay, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.